class 6. This is the continuation part of your previous video. In the last video we have started the chapter from Bliss, Dutiful Rana, and I have read up to the page number 29. So I will be starting with the page number 29 only from the last paragraph. So before starting the class, I would like to just give a short recapitulation what we have learned in the previous chapter, in the previous part. In previous part we have seen that Shibi Rana was the king of Maharashtra and he was the just ruler. He was a very good ruler and his justice was very famous, and so God, Almighty God, wanted to take a taste of the king Shibi Rana. So one day there was a fierce looking eagle came along with a little dove. The little dove was chased by the fierce looking eagle, and when Shibi Rana saw that, she gave the shelter to the little dove. So the fierce looking eagle was very angry and it said that, why did you keep my food? I am hungry. So what about my food? You have given Shibi Rana told that as I am a ruler of this state, so I should give the proper justice to everyone. That is why I am giving the shelter to the little dove. So eagle said that, okay, if you have given the shelter to the little dove, then what about me? I am also here and I am very hungry. So what about my food? Then Shibi Rana told, instead of the little dove, whatever you want, you just ask me, I will give it. Now what will happen, we will see. Turn to page number 29 and I am reading from the last paragraph. Well then, I want an equal quantity of your own flesh. On hearing this, the courtiers stood up in alarm, for they knew that the good king would keep his word. So what happened? When it was said by the king, by the fierce looking eagle, that the eagle wanted the same amount of the flesh, of the king. So that time what happened? Same amount of flesh means same amount of same equal quantity of little dove and the king's own flesh. Okay, that means the fierce looking eagle wanted the flesh of king. Okay. On hearing this, the courtiers stood up. So all the people, just after hearing this, they stood up and they were very much creating chaos, that because they knew that their king was so just that he would be ready for giving his own life also. So they were very much in problem. They were tensed. They were tensed too much. Now what happened? My flesh you shall have, said the king in a calm voice. King Shibi Rana told in a very silent voice, means a very calm and quiet voice, that okay, I am ready. I will give my own flesh instead of little dove. Then turning to his courtiers, he ordered, bring the scale. The dove shall be weighed against my own flesh, and that flesh shall be the eagle's food. So king said to his people, that means just ordered his people that go and give and bring the the scale. Scale means here the measuring machine. Okay, so he said that the dove shall be weighted against my flesh, and I will give the flesh instead of the little dove. It was said by King Shibi Rana. The eagle then said, I have a further condition. The flesh shall be taken from only the left side of the body. So the wicked eagle again, he just gave another condition. What was that? It said that, okay, I will take the flesh, but it should be cut from the left side of the king's body. So why the left side of the king's body? You know that left side of the king's body, suppose like if the king would cut from his left hand, so again he would cut from that part only. Okay, he should not, he would not cut from his right part. So that is the thing that the the fierce looking eagle wanted to give pain to the king. Okay, I agree to the condition, was the king's firm reply. Firm means here hard. Okay, so the king said, okay, I'm ready. I'm just agreed with all the condition. I'm going to give the flesh instead of the little dove. The excitement in the court increased as the horrible act of weighing the bird against the king's flesh was being carried out. What happened? So what all the people of the court, they were so excited because they were seeing that the flesh of the king was being taken. Okay, and it was a horrible sin for all the people because they were weighing the bird against little bird dove against the king's flesh. So it was really a horrible scene for all the courtiers who loved their king. Okay. Strangely enough, the bird began to weigh more and more, and the two weights could not be made equal. What happened? There was a problem, and there was a very surprising thing happened. What happened? So when the flesh of the king was being cut, and it was about to measure, so it was not matched with the little dove. Little dove was very light. Okay, so it could match it, but what happened? It was not matching with the weight of the little dove. So what happened? So then the eagles. So what happened? Then the eagle saw a tear roll down the left eye of the king. However, the body part, that means the flesh of the king was given, but it was not matching with the weight of the little dove. So at that time, the fierce looking eagle, that means the eagle was there, and it saw that the king was, there was a tear was rolled down from his eyes. Okay. Stop, stop, cried the eagle. You are weeping. Yours is not a willing sacrifice. So the eagle said that stop this thing. Don't cut his body because it is not a willing sacrifice. Because the king is crying. It should not be. It is not at all a sacrifice. It will not be called a sacrifice because the king is having the pain and king is suffering the pain, and that is why the king is actually crying for his own self. The tear I shed, I don't weep for myself. The tear I shed is for the poor, weak dove whom I cannot protect even with my flesh. It is the right of a king to share the suffering of the weak. So the king said, no, I am not crying for myself. I am crying because I am not able to help the little dove. So that is why I am crying, because as a king, I should protect all of my people, all of my citizens, all the creatures who came to my shelter. So it is my duty to give the proper shelter to them, but I am unable to give, I am unable to help them. That is why, as my body part, that means my freshly cut body part, that body part means flesh, is not being matched with the little dove's weight. So that is why I am crying. I am not helping the little bird. That is why I am crying. Who is saying that? The king, Shibirana, said to the eagle.